Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher next to it if it's not already on. Lastly, just follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard size screen, swipe up or click on this dark area. To disable one-handed mode completely, select the same now green switcher next to it. If you are using 3 keys navigation, you need to switch it to gestures to use this mode. In order to do that from one-handed mode section, click on the switcher, select settings in the pop-up, tap on gestures, and after selecting learn or cancel, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!